If your price list is still a Word document from 2019, or worse, a handwritten sign taped to the wall, you might be making it harder for customers to say yes. A clear, well-written price list doesn't just tell people what things cost. It sells. Most small business owners either don't have time to write one properly or don't know where to start. That's where AI comes in, and it's more useful here than you might think. Before you open any AI tool, spend about 10 minutes writing down what you actually sell. Don't worry about formatting. Just list everything, the item or service name, the price, and one sentence about what's included or what makes it different. If you run a barber shop, that might look like haircut $30, includes wash and style. Beard trim $15. Kids cut under $12-20. If you're a consultant, write down your hourly rate, your package options, and what each one covers. This step is crucial. AI will only be as good as what you give it. If you skip this and just ask it to make up your services and prices, you'll get something that sounds like a generic template, and your customers will feel that. Now here's where most people go wrong. They open ChatGPT and type, "Make me a menu," then get back something useless. A good prompt gives the AI your raw material and tells it exactly what you want. Tell it what your business is, who your customers are, paste in that list you just made, describe the tone you're going for, friendly, upscale, no nonsense, and tell it how you need it formatted. Here's an example. I run a massage therapy studio in Austin. My clients are mostly working adults looking for stress relief. Here are my services and prices. Paste in your list. Please format this as a clean service menu with short 1 to 2 sentence descriptions. Keep the tone warm but professional and group things into massage, add-ons, and packages. The descriptions matter more than people realize. Deep tissue massage, $90, tells someone the cost. But deep tissue massage, $90, targets chronic muscle tension, great after a tough workout or a long week sitting at a desk, tells them why to book it. Ask the AI to write descriptions that answer 2 questions for every item. What does the customer get, and why does it matter to them? Once you have good descriptions, think about where this price list is going to live. Tell the AI which format you need. For print, ask for clean sections and short descriptions. For your website, ask for scannable copy with service names and prices that are easy to find at a glance. For a client-facing PDF, you might want an intro paragraph explaining your pricing structure. If you use Canva for design, drop the text the AI generates into one of their free menu or price list templates. The AI handles the words. Canva handles how it looks. Now, the honest part. AI gives you a solid first draft, but it won't sound exactly like you. It tends to over-describe things and can get flowery. If your business is a no-frills neighborhood spot, you don't want descriptions that sound like a 5-star hotel brochure. Read through every line and cut anything that doesn't feel like how you'd actually talk about your own work. Double-check every price, every inclusion, and any time estimates. If the first draft isn't right, just tell it. Prompt it again. This is too formal. Make it sound more like a friendly neighborhood business. Or, the descriptions are too long. Give me 1 sentence each. AI is easy to redirect once you have something to react to. ChatGPT is a solid starting point. The free version handles these tasks well and lets you go back and forth easily. Claude, made by Anthropic, tends to write in a cleaner, more natural tone. Both are worth trying. That outdated price list is quietly costing you customers who couldn't figure out what you offered. AI won't build your price list for you, but it will do the heavy lifting on the writing if you show up with the right inputs and a clear idea of what you need. 20 minutes of prep, a well-written prompt, and a quick editing pass, and you've got something that actually works for your business.